Namaste everyone, you are watching Everyday Susmita, so welcome back to my channel. Let's make one of the best traditional desserts today that beats any modern treat. So keep watching to learn this easy recipe till the end. So to make this delicious aromatic dish, I am going to grate half a kilogram of juicy fresh carrot which looks beautiful orange in color. Now I'm gonna chop few almond, walnut and cashew nut, but you can add more other kind of nuts as per your preference and availability. I am also using few green cardamom and cloves by crushing them. We also need some milk, sugar and ghee. Milk can either be full fat or skim depending on what you like. Now I am going to heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and roast those nuts for 15 to 20 seconds on medium heat. Everyone please make sure to use heavy bottom pan which prevent your halwa from sticking on bottom and burning. Now let's saute the grated carrot for a few minutes until it becomes soft and releases a wonderful aroma. And the most important thing is don't forget to keep stirring continuously as we cook it over medium heat. Now you can clearly see how beautifully it has transformed in both color and texture. Since I personally enjoy the taste of black pepper in everything, I have added a pinch for some extra flavor, but it's completely optional. Now add some sugar as per your taste preferences once you notice moisture from the carrots has evaporated and they have softened. Continue stirring for few minutes, and once you notice the ghee separating from the carrots, it's time to pour in the milk. Now allow it to simmer slowly in the milk while stirring constantly, and you can add more milk if needed depending on your preferred thickness of halwa. All the milk will slowly be absorbed and evaporated, and when you see carrot separating ghee on pan and becomes thick, soft and sticky, it is ready to serve in a bowl. And finally, I'm going to garnish this delicious mouth-watering dessert with some nuts. Trust me guys, when I tasted it, I was really out of words to describe just how delicious it turned out. So I couldn't resist sharing it with the pharmacist I work with, and his surprise was really priceless. He couldn't believe how amazing carrot could taste. You can see his reaction.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. That's really good.
Thank you for watching my video till the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. अब भेट्नेछौँ अर्को ब्लगमा. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.